Hi there. It's Sunday and it's time to clean these two fridge because they're quite messy. Okay, so let me show you the first fridge. Here goes the second one.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not. Hey! There is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow and me are one.
So let's check what's inside the fridge now and how clean it looks like now after cleaning. The eggs, these are actually medicines. There. And a butter. And cut most of the vegetables and place them inside these microwavable containers to make it easier to cook in the morning. So to avoid rush hour in the morning, there. So I've cut the vegetables there. And this is actually for the hamsters. There, food for the hamsters. I'm ready for my pinakbet. Okay, so we're done cleaning. Now I hope and I just hope that we have eliminated most of the unnecessary things inside the fridge.